I bet you didn't know that you can delete just one photo from a carousel without deleting the whole post. Say that you've accidentally posted the same photo twice, or you just didn't like that photo anymore. Let me just show you how easy it is to do this. Hi and welcome back to day 82 of 100 social media tips. Say we've just posted on Instagram and we're going through and we're looking at our carousel and I accidentally posted the same photo twice. Let me just show you how easy it is to remove this without deleting the whole post and then reposting it again. What we want to do is click those three dots and click edit. Then we can go into the photos and scroll through, and let's just say these two photos here is exactly the same. What I want to do is just click this garbage icon here and then click delete. Now that single photo is removed, click done. And so if I go back into my post, I can see that double photo is no longer in it. I didn't have to delete the whole carousel to fix that mistake. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.